Hi guys, welcome back. So today's a really exciting video because I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Lookfantastic Beauty Chest. So this is a beauty chest right next to me and it is brand new this year. There is 10 full-size premium beauty products inside. It's worth over £360 but Lookfantastic will be selling it for £100. There's great products in here and I'm really excited to show you them. So yeah, let's just go ahead and we'll get started. Okay, so the beauty chest comes in a similar design to the advent calendar. It's in this kind of dark navy blue colour with some like gold detailing on it, which is really nice. So this is the lid for it. I've just opened it up just now just so you can see it a bit better. This is a lid which says Unveil Your Inner Beauty right here. There's a bunch of products in the top part of the chest and there's also some more products in the bottom bit as well. So that's the drawer at the bottom there. As you can see, there's a bunch of products in there, but I'm going to start off with the top bit first and show you what's here. Okay, so the first thing we get inside the chest is this here from bareMinerals. This is their mineral veil and this is like a illuminating setting powder. So it's a really finely milled setting powder and I love to use this to set my under eye area. I really like the packaging for bareMinerals products. They're really kind of simple but kind of quite classy looking at the same time. It comes here with like a little sieve idea. You spin this bit round once you broke the seal here and then you sort of like tap the powder out into the lid, swirl it and then apply it to like anywhere you want really. Like it as a finishing powder, a setting powder and all that. I know that because I have one of these already in a slightly smaller size, so I'm so happy to have another one because like it is a really lovely setting powder. So I'll read exactly what it says about it. So this sheer finishing powder morphs into the skin, minimising the pores for the look of a perfectly bare complexion. bareMinerals mineral sheer setting powder is cornstarch base and light as a feather, so all you'll see is shine free skin. I love this powder, I love bareMinerals and I'm so happy to see it in this chest, and this is worth £23. Next thing inside is this here from Neil's Yard Remedies. So I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand before and this I'm so excited about because it has aloe vera in it and aloe vera is so good for the skin. This is their Rejuvenating Frankincense toner. It says here infused with a host of beneficial ingredients including aloe vera, frankincense essential oil and a smoothing tripeptide. The best-selling toner sweeps effortlessly over the face to cool and soothe. Skin feels refreshed and rebalanced after use, and it's also a paraben and alcohol free product. Yeah, this sounds amazing. I'm loving that it has aloe vera in it because I like that for my skin. This is worth £20. The next thing we get inside the chest is this here from Sigma. It's a brush from Sigma which I am so excited about. I love Sigma brushes and this one is the Domed Blending E43 brush. So that's what the brush looks like right there and it is quite a big puffy blender as you can see there. I think this will be really good actually for maybe packing colour onto maybe the outer corner, the outer V section and maybe slightly into the crease. Yeah, it looks like a really great big brush. I'm really excited to use this. Like I haven't got this brush from Sigma. I have a bunch of Sigma brushes as you guys know, but I haven't got this one, so I'm really excited about this and that is worth £14. The next thing we get inside the chest is this here from Christophe Robin. This is the Cleansing Mask Ultra Nourishing Low Shampoo. This sounds interesting. It does say that it is good for damaged or colour treated hair, but I think I'll give it a go and see what it does for me. It's a cult product since 1999. It's a 3-in-1 low shampoo which gently cleanses the hair thanks to its formula which is enriched with mild cleansing agents. It deeply nourishes hair fibres and protects hair colour thanks to the acidic pH that seals the hair cuticles. The result will be that your hair is nourished, strengthened and shiny. I love the sound of shiny, so I'll give this a go and see what it does for my hair. Okay, the next thing inside the chest is this here. It's a makeup product from Illamasqua. This is their Unveiled Artistry palette. So this is a really gorgeous eyeshadow palette. I have this palette already and I think it's a really good palette. That's the packaging for it right here. Gorgeous pink one, I love it. And that's the shades inside there. Oops, that's the shades there. So as you can see, it is quite a nice kind of neutral shade palette, if you can see. There is some pops of kind of plummy pink shades right here. It's a great palette, I think, for many different skin colours and also eye colours, because the shades in it are quite neutral, you know. Like, I think, yeah, it's a very wearable palette. Yeah, I really like this palette. I think it is gorgeous. I like the formula and the pigmentation out of it as well. So yeah, that's the palette that we get inside the chest, and it is worth £38. Okay, so the next time we get inside the chest, I'm so excited about, because I've always wanted to try a product from this brand, and it is Burberry. It's their Liquid Lip Velvet. And it's in the shade Dark Rosewood, and I do believe there will be like a variety of shades from this brand across the chest, but this one I have here is Dark Rosewood, and I'm loving the colour of this. That's what it looks like right there. Love the packaging for it. It is quite kind of simple looking, but I love that. And the shade here, as you can see, is quite a dark rosy colour. I think it's going to be a great shade for this autumn winter season, and I will swatch a little bit of it on my hand for you. It is a velvet matte formula, so that's it right there. And I actually really love kind of velvety formulas because they feel really comfortable on the lips. Like, it's not as drying as like a full on matte. Should I put it on just now? No, we'll just get on with the unboxing. But yeah, this here looks gorgeous. I'm loving the shade of it as well, and it's worth £26. Okay, so that's everything from the top part of the chest. So I'm now going to move on to the bottom bit. The first thing down here is this from Jurlique. This is their Rose Water Balancing Mist. This stuff is amazing. I really enjoy this. The packaging for this is stunning. Like, look at that. So pretty in pink. Like, yes, gorgeous. This hydrates, restores and refreshes the skin, and you can apply this after you've cleansed your face, and you can also spray it throughout the day whenever you feel like your skin is feeling a little bit dry or a little bit dehydrated. You can spray some more of this on your face. I spray this before, obviously, I do my skincare. I spray after my skincare, and then I also spray after my makeup. So yeah, I'm going to spray a little bit on my face again just now. It's really powerful in like rose. I personally love rose scenty things, so I am loving this. And yeah, my skin will feel really nice and hydrated after this. It's like really, like, the spraying is very, it's fine, but like I feel like it gives a lot of moisture, if that makes, not moisture, is it moisture? I don't know, but it feels like it's really heavy in like water, if you know what I mean. I don't know if that makes any sense, but you feel like you get a really good spritz with it, and I can feel it like really working right into my skin right now. Like, yeah, I love this so much. Love the bottle and everything. I think it's so nice, and this is worth £32. Like, amazing, loving it. Okay, so next thing we get inside the chest is this here from ESPA. This is their Optimal Skin Pro Serum, and it's an intense nourishment for radiant skin. So I'm loving the sound of this. You know me, I love products that say it's going to give like a radiant complexion and things like that. That's what it looks like right there. It has a little kind of button idea up the top here, which you press down to load the serum into the dropper, like so. Yeah, so let me read about this. It says it's an intensely nourishing serum to strengthen skin's natural moisture barrier and help even skin tone while enhancing elasticity to help minimise the early signs of aging, and it's suitable for all skin types. And you just apply a few drops of this after cleansing and toning the skin. So Yep, really looking forward to giving this a go, and this is worth £51. Okay, so the next thing we get inside the beauty chest is this here, which I am really looking forward to using. Like, I'm looking forward to using this purely because of how much this product costs. This is the most expensive product inside the beauty chest, guys. This here is from Eve Lom. It's their moisture cream. Yeah, like their moisture cream. So like that's the packaging for it there. Take off this part. Yep, and I'll open it up to show you. So with this you get like a little spatula thing which says Eve Lom on it right there, and that's what the tub looks like for it there. Now, as I said, I'm looking forward to using this purely because of the price of it. This here, guys, is worth £105. Like, what? That is crazy. Like, this has got to work for your skin, especially for that price. Like, come on. The cream inside is like that there, like you can't see that. It feels like a really nice moisturiser, and it feels like quite a hydrating moisturiser. So let me see what it says. It says provide skin with all it needs. The Eve Lom moisture cream contains fast acting hyaluronic acid to help noticeably reduce existing and prevent future lines and wrinkles. Skin is protected against the damaging effects of pollution and hydrates for up to 72 hours, and it will give you a dewy and radiant finish. So yeah, loving the sound of that. I'm so excited to give it a go, guys. Like, I have a couple other Eve Lom products which are really nice, but I haven't tried this before, so I'm super duper excited about this. And like I said, it is worth £105, guys. Okay, the next thing we get inside the beauty chest is this here from Ren, and this is their gentle cleansing milk. Looking forward to giving this a go. I love cleansing products, so especially because of the amount of makeup that I do wear. Cleanses and soothes the skin, and it's great for, it's good for sensitive skin. It's got blackcurrant seed oil, which is rich in omega-3 to soothe the skin. It's got sea buckthorn berry oil, which is rich in omega-7, which helps to soften the skin, and it's got fennel seed extracts, which helps to protect against pollution damage. Okay, yeah, so really looking forward to giving this a go. It is like a cleansing milk. We do have a big push down button right there, which I'm not going to do right now because it'll go everywhere. But yeah, like, I'm loving the look of this. Love that it's a really big bottle as well, and this is worth £20. So that is everything that we get inside the beauty chest. I think it's a really great mix of skincare and beauty and makeup products in here. Of course, I've tried a couple of things out already, like the Jerlique Rose Water Mist. I love that. Also, the Illamasqua palette is gorgeous. I have that, and the bareMinerals Mineral Veil. That's a great setting powder as well. But everything else I'm really looking forward to trying out. I think it's a really great mix of products in there, and yeah, I love the box design. I think it's gorgeous. So the value again, guys, is worth over £360, but it will be retailing on lookfantastic.com for £100. Yeah, like, I will leave a link to it down below in the description box if you are interested in it. Like, it is gorgeous. Like, you've got to be interested in this, but I will leave a link to it down below if you are interested in it. And yeah, I would love to know your thoughts on the beauty chest down below in the comment section, guys. And that is it for this video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.